So today we're going to do a tutorial on how to wax a chin. So on my model, I'm going to start off just by pre-cleansing her skin, getting any oils off. Now I'm going to go in with a little pre-wax oil just because she was a little dry. When I'm using the pre-wax oil, I like to twist the cotton round and fold it just a little bit, and that way just make sure that the skin is hydrated, but it's not so much moisture. Other than that, the wax will not adhere. Now we're just going to go in and apply our wax. She's going to cock her head up so I get a good view. And because this is hard wax, it will take a slight second for it to dry. And while that's drying, we can go ahead and apply our second strip. She has a little bit more hair on this side. So we're just going to make sure that we're swooping it and pressing hard into the skin so that way the wax adheres to the hair. Now, since this wax strip has dried, we're going to go ahead and pull off and suppress the skin. And you may or may not be able to see the hairs, but they've come off. Now, while I wait for that one section to dry, I'm going to go ahead and just look and see if I missed any spots or if I see any other hairs. I see a little right over here, so I'm going to go ahead and apply one more strip. I'm pulling down her neck so that way I'm able to get any hairs. And I'm just waiting for that strip to dry. Now, while that strip dry, we're going to come back to our second strip and suppress the skin. Now we're going to just take a look and see if there's any hair. Nope. Not really sure if you can see any of the hairs that came up. And now I'm just going to go in, take this off. I'm going to do another check, make sure there's no hair. We see none. So now we can just go in with our cooling gel and cool her skin from the wax. And there you have a chin wax.